Finding your style as a man can be an exciting journey that enhances your confidence and self-expression. It's about more than just the clothes you wear. It's about curating a look that reflects your personality, values, and aspirations. This guide will explore practical steps to help you discover and refine your unique style, allowing you to navigate the world with confidence and flair. Get ready to unlock your full style potential and embark on a transformative journey that will redefine how you present yourself to the world. Personal style is an evolution, a reflection of who you are at your core. It's about more than just following trends. It's about crafting a look that feels authentically you. Think of your personal style as a visual language. What story do you want your clothes to tell? Before we dive into the exciting world of exploring new styles, let's take a step back and assess the foundation, your current wardrobe. This crucial step allows you to identify what's working, what's not, and what gaps need to be filled. Start by designating a space where you can lay out your clothes. Be honest with yourself about what you actually wear. Those jeans you haven't touched in a year? It's time to let them go. Create 3 distinct piles: keep, donate, consign, maybe. The keep pile should consist of items that fit you well, make you feel confident, and align with your current lifestyle. Now that you have a clearer understanding of your current wardrobe, it's time to inject some inspiration into the equation. This is where the fun begins, as you start to envision the new and improved version of your personal style. Defining your style goals is about envisioning the image you want to project and identifying the elements that resonate with your aspirations. Think about how you want to feel in your clothes and the impression you want to leave on others. Start by seeking inspiration from a variety of sources. The more diverse your sources, the richer your style palette will be. Fashion magazines, online platforms like Pinterest and Instagram, and even people watching on the streets can provide a wealth of ideas. Each source offers a unique perspective on style and trends. Create a mood board, either physical or digital, to collect images, colors, and textures that catch your eye. This visual representation will help you see patterns and themes in your preferences. Don't limit yourself to just clothing. Your overall appearance includes grooming and accessories, which can significantly enhance your style. Explore different hairstyles, grooming styles, and accessories that align with your desired aesthetic. These elements can add a personal touch to your look. As you gather inspiration, pay attention to recurring themes or elements that consistently draw your attention. These patterns are clues to your authentic style. Are you drawn to minimalist aesthetics, bold patterns, or classic tailoring? Identifying these preferences will guide your style journey. Identifying these patterns will help you define your style goals more clearly. It's about understanding what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Consider your lifestyle and the image you want to project in various settings. Your style should be versatile enough to adapt to different occasions. Do you need a versatile wardrobe that seamlessly transitions from work to social events? Think about the practicality of your style choices. Or are you looking to make a statement with bold, fashion-forward pieces? Your style can be a powerful form of self-expression. Remember, your style goals should inspire and excite you. They should reflect who you are and who you aspire to be, making you feel confident and empowered every day. With a clearer vision of your style goals, it's time to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the exciting world of experimentation. This journey is not just about finding clothes. It's about discovering yourself and expressing your unique personality through fashion. This is where the real fun begins, trying on different styles, exploring new brands, and discovering what truly flatters your body type and personality. Each outfit you try on is a step closer to understanding what makes you feel your best. Don't be afraid to venture beyond your usual haunts. Sometimes the most unexpected places hold the greatest treasures. Visit different stores, both online and offline, that cater to a variety of aesthetics. The digital world offers endless possibilities, while physical stores provide the tactile experience of feeling the fabric and seeing the fit in real time. Explore vintage shops for unique finds that tell a story and add character to your wardrobe, department stores for a wide selection that spans various brands and styles, and independent boutiques for curated collections that offer a more personalized shopping experience. The key to successful experimentation is to approach it with an open mind. Be willing to try on styles you wouldn't normally consider. Don't dismiss a style or a brand before you've given it a fair try. Sometimes the most surprising choices can become your new favorites. You might be surprised at what you discover when you step outside your comfort zone. The joy of finding a new look that suits you perfectly is unparalleled. When trying on clothes, pay attention to how they make you feel. The right outfit should boost your confidence and make you feel at ease. Do you feel confident, comfortable, and stylish? These are the key indicators that you've found something that works for you. Or do you feel self-conscious and unsure? It's important to recognize these feelings and use them to guide your choices. Your instincts are your best guide. Trust them to lead you to styles that resonate with who you are. Don't be afraid to ask for assistance from salespeople. They are there to help and can offer valuable insights into fit, styling, and current trends. Their expertise can help you make more informed decisions. Experimentation isn't just about trying on clothes, it's about exploring different ways to style them. Think about how you can make each piece your own. Play around with layering, accessorizing, and mixing and matching pieces to create unique and stylish looks. The possibilities are endless, and each combination can tell a different story about who you are. Chapter 5. Invest in key pieces. As you refine your style and gain a better understanding of what works for you, it's time to shift your focus towards building a timeless and versatile wardrobe. This is not just about following trends, but about curating a collection that reflects your personal style and stands the test of time. This involves investing in key pieces, those essential items that serve as the foundation of countless stylish outfits. These are the pieces that you can rely on, no matter the occasion or season. Investing in key pieces is about prioritizing quality over quantity. It's about making thoughtful choices and selecting items that are well-crafted and durable. It's about choosing well-made, durable items that will stand the test of time, both in terms of style and construction. These pieces should be able to withstand frequent wear and still look impeccable. These pieces will become the workhorses of your wardrobe, the ones you reach for time and time again. They are the reliable staples that make getting dressed easier and more enjoyable. Start by building a solid foundation with essential wardrobe staples. A well-tailored blazer, a crisp white shirt, and a pair of dark-wash jeans are indispensable. A pair of dark-wash jeans is incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion, and a versatile pair of leather shoes can elevate any outfit, adding a touch of sophistication and polish. When investing in key pieces, it's crucial to pay attention to fit and fabric. The right fit can make a world of difference in how you look and feel. A well-fitting garment will always look more expensive and polished than an ill-fitting one. Tailoring can be a worthwhile investment to ensure your clothes fit perfectly. Opt for natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen whenever possible. These materials not only look better, but also feel more comfortable and breathable. Don't be afraid to spend a little extra on key pieces that you know you'll wear frequently. Think of it as an investment in your personal style and long-term wardrobe. Consider it an investment in your personal style and confidence. When you look good, you feel good. And that confidence can have a positive impact on all areas of your life. As you build your collection of key pieces, keep versatility in mind. Choose items that can be mixed and matched effortlessly to create a multitude of outfits. This will ensure that you get the most out of each piece. Choose items that can be mixed and matched effortlessly to create a multitude of outfits. This will ensure that you get the most out of each piece, making your wardrobe both functional and stylish. Chapter 6. Pay attention to grooming. While clothing plays a significant role in shaping your personal style, it's crucial not to overlook the transformative power of grooming. Your grooming habits speak volumes about your attention to detail, your self-care routine, and your overall approach to presentation. Start with the foundation skincare. A consistent skincare routine, tailored to your skin type, can work wonders in achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. Cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Next, pay attention to your hair. Find a hairstyle that complements your face shape and reflects your personal style. Whether you prefer a classic cut, a modern fade, or something more adventurous, regular haircuts are essential. Facial hair, if you choose to have it, requires just as much attention as the hair on your head. Keep it neatly trimmed and shaped to enhance your facial features. Experiment with different beard styles or maintain a clean-shaven look. Don't underestimate the power of fragrance. A signature scent can leave a lasting impression and enhance your overall presence. Experiment with different colognes or perfumes to find one that complements your personality and style. Chapter 7. Stay updated but authentic. The world of fashion is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging each season. While it's great to stay updated and experiment with fresh ideas, it's crucial to do so while remaining true to your personal style. Don't feel pressured to embrace every single trend that comes your way. Not every trend will suit your body type, personality, or lifestyle. Instead of blindly following the masses, focus on incorporating trends that resonate with your existing style and enhance your wardrobe. Think of trends as inspiration rather than rules. Use them as a starting point to experiment with new silhouettes, colors, or patterns. When incorporating trends, always filter them through the lens of your personal style. Ask yourself, does this trend align with my aesthetic? Can I see myself wearing this in a few months? Remember, true style is about longevity. It's about investing in pieces that you'll love and wear for years to come. Don't be afraid to mix and match trendy items with classic staples to create a balanced and timeless look. The key is to strike a balance between staying current and staying true to yourself. Chapter 8. Own your style. Finding your style is an ongoing process that requires self-reflection and experimentation. By following these steps, you'll not only discover what works best for you, but also cultivate a sense of confidence in how you present yourself to the world. Remember, true style is about more than just the clothes you wear. It's about expressing your individuality, owning your choices, and feeling comfortable in your own skin. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on fashion, grooming, and lifestyle. Embrace the journey, have fun with it, and remember that the most stylish thing you can wear is confidence.